video that I have never done before and I'm kind of really excited about. So I'm going to be doing a Goodwill clothing haul, but these clothes aren't for me. They're for my baby niece who is 8 months old. So she's been outgrowing her clothes really quickly, like crazy, as you know babies do. And I just was tired of spending a lot of money on little tiny clothes that she was just going to outgrow and barely ever wear if she ever actually did get to wear them. So I decided to start looking at like thrift stores, like Goodwill, Salvation Army. So I've been hitting up Goodwill a lot lately because, like I said, she's outgrowing everything really quickly. It kind of sucks that they outgrow things really quickly, but at the same time it makes thrifting clothes for babies a lot easier because a lot of the stuff that has been donated has barely been worn. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what I got for her and tell you the sizes, the actual brand, and how much I spent on every item. So at the Goodwill that I go to, there's a baby bin, which I don't know if every Goodwill has a baby bin or not. If they do, please let me know in the comments because I'm not certain. I usually go to like the same Goodwill all the time, but this has a baby bin and everything in the bin is 50 cents each or 5 items for $2, and that's usually where I go to stock up on all of her clothes. So one of the things I got for her is this little skirt. I thought it would be cute to take like fall pictures in. So this skirt doesn't actually say like the name brand inside of it, but it's got shorts in here, but it looks like a skirt, and I think it's cute for fall pictures. Like I said, I spent 50 cents on this from the baby bin. I also got these shorts from the baby bin. These are Carter's 18 months. They're really nice little fleece. There's the shorts, I meant pants. They're nice fleece pants. They're just cute and comfy for her to sleep in. I also got this onesie from the baby bin. This is a size 24 months. Now the baby, like I said, she's 8 months old. She's not really fat, but she's really long, so she can fit into 24-month clothes as long as it's not like long sleeve pants or tops. Other than that, she's like 12 to 18-month clothes. So this fleece jacket I got for her from Salvation Army. I paid, I think, $1.50 for this. This is from Carter's and it is 18-month size. It's got like a little, I think it's a bear on the front. And then the inside you can see has got the black polka dots, but that'll be good for fall and winter. I actually got this jacket at the same time that I just got that blue one from Salvation Army. Another, I think it was $1.50. This is Granimals brand and it's size 18 months. It's got a hood, long sleeves, and then it has these ruffles on the bottom, which makes it a little cuter. So while I'm going through and showing jackets, I'm going to show you this. I really love this jacket. It's like a windbreaker because it reminds me of when I was around that age, what kind of stuff I used to wear. This is an LA Gear little windbreaker. It obviously won't fit her for a while, but I couldn't pass it up. So I got this from Goodwill. I think it was like $2, maybe $1.50. Pretty inexpensive, and I like the 90s feel it gives me. Okay, I'm going to start going back into the stuff that's from the baby bin from Goodwill. So remember, the baby bin was 50-cent items. I got this cute little sweatshirt from the baby bin. This is Cat and Jack, size 12 months. Looks brand new, nothing wrong with it. I got these little pants from the baby bin as well. Carter's 18 months. So I got this shirt from the baby bin as well. This is from Carter's, size 12 months. It says, "Good night, my royal subjects." This one again from the bin. I have the world's best grandma. This is a size 24 months from Falls Creek Kids. I've never heard of that brand before. This shirt from the baby bin, Carter's 18 months, It's got this cute little monster on it, and there are matching shorts laying around the house somewhere. Both of the items were 50 cents from the bin. And it's funny, I bought them on two separate days. I found the shorts first, and they also have the monster on them, and I just thought they were really cute. And I went back a few days later and found the matching shirt, so that was pretty cool. Got her these little bottoms for 50 cents. Genuine Kids from Oshkosh, 24 months. Nice little pants. I like getting her pants in long sleeves, so when she goes to sleep at night, if it gets cold, she has on her long sleeves and everything, so we don't have to use a blanket on her. This onesie was also 50 cents, 24 months from TKS Basics. It's just a nice oversized comfy onesie for her. Baby Gap toddler, this is 2T. It fits her in the midsection, but the sleeves are a little bit long. It's got this bunny on it, and it says, "I'm your honey bunny." This is also from Carter's, size 2T. Like I said, the midsection fits her, but the sleeves are a bit long. We just roll them up. This was also 50 cents. And what does it say on it? Mommy's Night Owl. Another 50 cents. Old Navy, 18 to 24 months. This is dirty. It's got like a spit up stain on it, so ignore that. But it's got a giraffe with the long sleeves that we do have to roll up. She hasn't worn this one yet. This is a 24-month-old from Granimals. It's just a basic pink shirt with like little fringe ruffles on the chest area. This is 50 cents from Goodwill as well. These are just like checkered diaper cover. It just says 18 months. It doesn't say the brand inside it or anything. These were 50 cents as well. Granimals 12 months. They're just pink sweatpants with little silver hearts all over them. These are Baby Gap toddler, size 2 years. They fit her on the waist, but again, the bottoms are long. But her socks keep the bottoms from like going past her feet, so it works out fine. So I saved my favorite item for last. This isn't from Goodwill or Salvation Army. It's actually from a local thrift store, but I got it for, I think it was $1. This is Carter's, size 18 months. It fits her perfectly. So it's got little tiny pink cheetah print on it. And then on the sleeves, on the shoulder area, it's got these cats on either side. And I actually used this to take her 8-month baby pictures, and they turned out really cute. So that is everything I got for her that isn't in the dirty hamper right now. There is quite a bit more where this came from. This is what I could find for now. So thank you guys so much for checking this video out. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope that it inspired you to go check out your local thrift stores, because you can find a lot of really good things there. If you guys want to see more videos like this, more haul videos from like thrift stores, let me know by liking this video or leaving me a comment. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe down below, and I will see you guys in my next video very soon. Bye guys.